Hi everyone, welcome to Lavanya Chemistry classes. In this session, chemical bonding, we can understand the concept of VSEPR theory. In VSEPR theory is used in how to use examples, how to predict this geometry. In previous classes, we are discussed with VSEPR theory, that is valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. This theory was proposed by Sidgwick and Powell and later developed by Nahom and Gillespie. And some of the postulates are there in VSEPR theory, that is the shape of the molecule depends on electron pair. What are the electron pair? Bond pair and lone pair. The bond pair is the electron pair which involved in the bonding is called as bond pair, which are not involved in the bonding, that is non-bonding, is called lone pair. And the bond pair and lone pairs are around the central atom. The lone pair electrons occupies more space around the central atom. The repulsions between them are lone pair is greater than, that means lone pair having much higher repulsions are there than lone pair to bond pair, then bond pair to bond pair. Here the repulsions between the bond pair and bond pair, it gives a perfect shape of a molecule, and the repulsion between the lone pair and bond pair are more, it gives a distorted geometry. And we apply valence shell electron pair theory how to predict molecules having its geometry. Now valence shell electron pairs are 2, number of bond pairs are 2, number of lone pairs are 0. The best example is BeCl2. In beryllium atom forms 2 bonds with chlorines. The shape of the molecule is linear. In this BeCl2 having bond pair repulsions are more, because beryllium atom has no lone pairs are present in the beryllium atom. So it gives a perfect shape, that is the linear shape in BeCl2. The bond angle is 180 degrees. And the next one is valence shell electron pairs are 3. In number of bond pairs are 3, there is no lone pairs are in the best example is BF3. In BF3, boron is the central atom and fluorines are terminal atoms. The 3 fluorines bonding with boron atom, there is no lone pairs are present. So bond pair repulsions are more. It gives a perfect shape of the molecule, that is trigonal planar shape. And the valence shell containing 4 electron pairs, the number of bond pairs are 4, number of lone pairs are 0. The shape of the molecule is tetrahedral. The bond pairs, number of bond pairs are 4. The shape of the molecule is tetrahedral. The best example is CH4. CH4 is the chemical name methane. In methane, 4 hydrogens are terminal bonds with carbon atom. There is no lone pair. So in this methane molecule, there is only bond pair repulsions are there. So it gives a 109 degrees 28 minutes. The shape of the molecule is tetrahedral. Here valence shell containing 5 electron pairs. The number of bond pairs are 5. There is no lone pair electrons. The shape of the molecule is trigonal bipyramidal. The best example is PCl5. Here in the PCl5, the central atom is phosphorus. It bonding with 5 chlorine atoms. It arranged in the trigonal planar bipyramidal shape. There is not lone pairs. It only, the repulsions are only bond pair and bond pair. So it gives a perfect geometry of the molecule. And the other one, the valence shell containing electron pairs are 4. Number of bond pairs are 4 and number of lone pairs are 1. In this, sulfur dioxide is the best example. Sulfur containing in SO2, sulfur containing 1 lone pair and 4 bond pairs. In this compound, the repulsions between the lone pair and bond pair, so it distorted in bent shape or angular shape. And the next one is the valence shell containing 3 electron pairs. 3 are bond pairs, 1 is the lone pair. The ammonia molecule is best example. The chemical name of ammonia, the chemical formula is NH3. In the nitrogen having 1 lone pair electron and 3 terminal atoms are there. The shape of the molecule is trigonal bipyramidal because it having the repulsions between the lone pair and bond pair bond pair repulsion, so it deviates into trigonal pyramidal shape. These are the examples to explain valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. Thank you. Please subscribe and